On to our final four. So these guys, the biggest call out is that lots of your EOC level questions and test level questions, they're not going to give you a picture. Remember that these parallelograms or quadrilaterals or any shape are going to be named in order. So this would be parallelogram W, X, Y, V. And you can start at X and call it X, Y, V, W. Where you start doesn't matter, just as long as you're following all the way around the outside. And you're just going to need to draw your version of that picture and label. You're going to think you can do this in your head and you're going to make careless errors if you remember all these rules. So please take the time to write this down and label these. It's worth drawing a picture, I promise, just to get it right. So WP is 14. So I would label that WP is 14. And then it says that PY, which is this one here, is 2x minus 4. And we know that, sorry guys, we know that these two are equal to each other. 2x minus 4 equals 14 because diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So we're going to add 4. So 2x equals 18. Divide by 2. X is going to equal 9. At any point you need to pause or go back and write it down. By all means, please do that too. So UY. So this one is going to be 2x minus 6, and YW is x plus 4. Now again, these diagonals bisect each other, so I know that they're equal to each other. So we're just going to set it up algebraically equal to each other. X plus 4 equals 2x minus 6, and then we're going to solve. So we're going to subtract 1x, 4 equals x minus 6. Add 6 because that's the inverse of subtraction. So x equals 10 in this one. Now we have one where we have WY, so the whole thing equals 16. And then it tells us that MY, so my right here, is 2x minus 14. Now if this is 2x minus 14, then this is also 2x minus 14. So you can look at it either two ways. You can do it either, whichever makes sense to you. So 2 times 2x minus 14 is going to equal to 16. Or you can write 2x minus 14 plus 2x minus 14 equals 16. Or if we know that this 16 means this is 8 and this is 8, which is the same thing as dividing this by 2 on each side, 2x minus 14 equals 8. We're going to add 14 to both sides. 2x equals 22. Divide by 2. And x equals 11. Hopefully that was really quick, but hopefully that gave you enough couple examples so you're not blindsided when it comes about later. You will practice it in some Delta math. And if you have questions, show up to tutoring, show up to live class, and, email me.